Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute horse. Let's start drawing. I draw a cute eye, and the shape of its head, and a smiling mouth, then its nose, his neck, and his hair. Now his ears. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute horse, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, then orange, I continue with yellow, green, then purple, I use pink for his nose and also for his inner ears. Red. Very good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.